Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my second day of my series / challenge. So today we are going to be doing some marble nails. I am going to be going in with the Red Iguana Blossom Gel, and I'm already starting off with prepped and polished nails. I did use a Revlon nail polish, which is not a gel polish. I just let it air dry and I just used what I had on hand. And right now I am going in with the Blossom Gel and not curing it, and I'm taking the 3 colors I show in the beginning of the video. I marble them and I just place them on the nail. You'll see here once time passes by how it blossoms, and it just looks so beautiful and it's so effortless. Takes seconds to do. I'm so happy that I own this so I could try it out. And I am going to be applying gold flakes once I cure the polish. It has a tacky layer, so that's how I am placing the gold flakes. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I do that step throughout all my 4 nails, and that's the look. And a lot of people were asking me on Instagram what the challenge / series meant. I got this idea from V Nailed It. She created 25 days of Christmas, and also Kim the Product here on YouTube as well. She created 14 Days of Love, so I was super inspired by that. So thank you for those girls for inspiring me to make my own 17 Days of Luck series. And once again, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't checked out my last few videos, please do so. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out any videos. And like I said, this is my second day. We have 15 more days to go. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the video. Bye.